How to speak perfect English. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't think that it's too difficult. You can speak wonderful English and have perfect pronunciation if you just remember that learning a foreign language takes time. Try to find friends so that you can study practice together. Don't bother worrying about your mistakes. You chat with training voice and pronunciation. Always follow along and repeat after the speaker on the tape. It's important to make English learning a part of your daily routine. You should take English as your first learn from every mistake that you make.